Hey guys, how you guys doing? This is Ken again here with PC Hack Shack. Basically going to show you the quick and easy way to obtain your IP address whenever asked by tech support. The easiest way to do that is to come over to the search box, hit Windows, and then go to the search field and just type in CMD for command prompt. You're going to pull up that command prompt there, and what you want to do is basically type in IPconfig and hit enter. And this is a quick little way of, you have to scroll up here and kind of try to look for your Ethernet adapter if you're connected via the cable or the wire. And if you're not connected via an Ethernet adapter or cable, then you probably want to look for something like a wireless adapter. And if you were using wireless, this would be populated with an IP address, such as the one that I have here, called Ethernet Adapter 2. Here's my connection specific DNS settings. I have none entered in there. The IP address, this says IPv4 because there's such a thing as IPv6 as well. So as of right now, this is the only thing configured on this adapter. So IPv4 is my IP address would be 192.168.50.243, and my subnet mask as well would be 255.255.255.0. My default gateway, this usually being your router, your home router or your office router, wherever if you're at work, you would be able to tell which is your router on your network. Um, so this information is really helpful when you have somebody trying to help you, or they're trying to remote into your computer to help you fix whatever problem you might be having. Hopefully, it's not with your network connection, or else this wouldn't work. Um, and then there's also another command if you want to see more information regarding your IP address that you have on your computer. What you guys want to do is you want to up arrow key that, hit space on that, /, and then all in after that /, and then that's going to give you a little bit more detailed information regarding your IP address. For me, I'm looking for my Ethernet adapter, which would be this guy right here. See, now I have more information, not only my IP address, my subnet mask, and my default gateway. It also gives me my DHCP server. This means who gave me this IP address. This is the servers that gave me that IP address that I currently have, which is this one here. And also my DNS server when I'm trying to look up host names based on by name. Um, so these are really important to TCP/IP and figuring out your networking stack. Basically, when troubleshooting, this is the information that you want to give support or anybody. If you don't have an IP address and you wind up with some sort of a PIPA address, which starts with a 169 dot whatever, then if you see that and it says a PIP on the top, then you most likely you didn't receive an IP address from this DHCP server. This DHCP server is the one that automatically assigns IP addresses to your computers on the network. So whenever you connect to the network, you basically need an IP address so that you can start talking to other computers, get your email, and if you want to go out to the internet, then you basically need your default gateway. That one right there. That usually points to the router that has internet connection for the most part. DNS server is to resolve names, like if you want to go to google.com or you want to type in a specific name like Yahoo or Amazon.com, it's going to use that DNS server here. Um, this DNS server is going to basically resolve the name to an IP address on the internet. And that's how you're going to get your resolution. That's how your computer knows where to go, what server to look for when you type in, www. Hotmail.com or Google.com. So basically, this is the information you want to look for. You can just do IPconfig for very basics, and then you can do IPconfig all / all for a detailed IP address configuration. And this gives you all the information that you need. I hope this was pretty helpful, and thanks for watching my videos. I'm gonna make a couple more, shortcuts, tips and tricks videos, just stuff that you want to look up real quick. I can probably show you guys how to do that. Thanks, and have a great night.